Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can charge the Dream D10 Plus vacuum. So in the first step you can just make it automatically, just turn on your appliance and click on the home button. Then the vacuum should just go back to the dock station and start charging automatically. But if you have this with this problem, or your vacuum just went to your home totally with no battery, you can just try to aim these two sensor, this one and this one, to the dock sensor, so this one and this one. Try to just put it back until you see the blinking LEDs. Now the charging are started, and as you can hear, that line starting. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.